Hello and welcome to Indian Markets Unveiled, the podcast where we decode the Indian financial markets at the very start of the trading day. I'm your host Mansi Dave, and today we are diving into the action-packed world of Indian stock market. Before we jump into today's episode, a quick reminder to hit that subscribe button so you never miss our daily insights on Indian market openings. Good morning, everyone. It's 14th September 2023, and we have got a lot to cover today as we prepare for another day of trading on the Indian stock exchanges. Let's begin by taking a quick look at the global markets. US stock indexes are closed mostly higher on Wednesday as investors digested the latest consumer price index data showing inflation picking up in August, but likely not by enough to prompt a September interest rate hike by the Federal Reserve. The data showed annual headline inflation rose 3.7% last month, slightly higher than Wall Street's forecast of 3.6%. The Consumer Price Index, which measures costs across a broad variety of goods and services, rose 0.6% for the month, its biggest monthly jump in 14 months. Asian stocks rose on cautious optimism after Wall Street largely looked through a US inflation report that was in line with the estimates. Let us now look at the Indian markets. Indian stock market opened on a positive note this morning, with Nifty trading about 20,100 mark and Bank Nifty was 200 points above at 46,000 levels. Sensex was up around 200 points at 67,658. Tata Steel, Hindalco, Divi's Lab, JSW Steel and Tech Mahindra were among major gainers on the Nifty. Let us now turn our attention to today's market drivers. If we have a look at the Nifty 500 universe, NBCC, Avanti Feeds, Zinzar Technologies, Balrampur Chini, Narayan Hrudayalaya were stocks which were trading in green, which show an up move of around 5 to 10% in the session. However, if we have a look at the losers, Infibeam Avenues, Supreme Industries, Aurobindo Pharma, BML, Piramal Enterprises were the stocks which were losing in the Nifty 500 universe. Let us now turn our attention towards the stocks in news for the day. Adani Enterprises is in news as Adani Wind gets 5.2 megawatt wind turbine generator certification from Windguard. IRCTC was another stock which is making news as a memorandum of understanding with MSRTC has been signed to enable online bus booking via its bus booking portal. Cummins, the company, unveils CPCB Plus compliant genset range for Delhi NCR market, which makes it in news. However, Bajaj Healthcare, the company, gets EIR from US FDA for API manufacturing facility in Gujarat. Suven Pharma again making news as it gets cabinet nod for 9,589 crore FDI in company for 76% stake. However, another stock which is bagging orders is NBCC. The company bagged 80 crore order on signs agreement to sell non-core Vizag asset. Bombay Dyeing is also making news as the company plans to sell Worli land for 5,200 crore to Gosoi Realty in two phases. Kirloskar Ferris is another company which is making news as NCLT approves resolution plan for corporate debtor Oliver Engineering, which is another positive for Kirloskar Ferris. Lloyd Steels, the company, is an agreement for transfer of technology that will aid in seawater desalination. So these are the stocks which are making news. However, on the contrary, Indigo, the company, has a concern as DGCA sources confirm company has been allowed to wet lease 11 A320 aircraft. So stocks in news are Adani Enterprises, IRCTC, Cummins, Bajaj Healthcare, Suven Pharma, NBCC, Kirloskar Ferris and Indigo. As we see, pharma stocks, healthcare, diagnostic are again picking up when we talk about news. And that's a wrap for today's episode of Indian Markets Unveiled. Remember to stay tuned, informed, make strategic decisions, and most importantly, manage your risks. We encourage our listeners' feedback to a large extent. For more such content and research, stay tuned with us. Share, like, and subscribe to us on all our social media platforms and do send in your valuable comments. We provide quality, good research, and high-end services. Reach out to us and we will be happy to assist you. Thank you and have a fruitful day.